Hello guys, if you are new to my channel, my name is Karen May and I make videos on how to earn online, and if you like this kind of content, please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the notification bell para lagi kayong updated pag may bago tayong upload. So, magka-cash in tayo. May dalawang ways on how to cash in dito kang Rainbow Game. First is, nakikita nyo yung coin sa taas. Wala pa yung laman. I-click nyo lang yung plus sign. Pagka-click nyo dyan, makikita nyo yung pwede nyo amount na i-cash in. So, dito kang Rainbow Game guys, 100 yung minimum amount na ika-cash in ninyo. Yan, 200, 500, 1,000, may 2,000, 5,000, 10,000, and 20,000 pesos na pwede kayong mag-cash in. So, itry natin mag-cash in guys. Try natin ng 100. Cash in tayo ng 100. Click 100. And, ayan, are you sure you want to use the following payment information for payment? Yes tayo dyan. Yan yung information natin. And pwede nyo din siyang i-change. Ayan. Okay? Yes? So, ang gagawin nyo guys is ika-copy nyo lang itong number na to. And you will get coins 100. Okay? So, pagka-copy nyo dyan, click nyo yung copy. So, example guys na full na yung parang nag-limit na yung number na to, pwede nyo din siyang i-change. Okay? Pwede nyo i-click yung change dito and mag-iiba yung number. Okay? So, punta tayo kang GCash. Ayan. Click natin si GCash, guys. And click send money. Express send and i-copy paste lang natin yung number nila and enter 100. Okay, so next. So ayan guys, ayan na yung name, si Mr. Warlito B. Hello, hello. Baka nanunood ka dyan. Okay, so i-send natin. Click send. Okay, so ito yung sinasabi ko guys. This transaction will exceed the recipient's monthly incoming limit. Okay, so punta tayo ulit kang Rainbow Game and click change. Ayan, and copy. Balik tayo kay GCash. Okay, so i-change natin yung number guys. And input yung amount. Next. Ayan, so ano to, si Ma'am Rachel. Ma'am Rachel, hello, hello. Ayan. And click send. Okay, ayan na siya guys. So, na-send na siya. So, please take note na dito kailangan nating ilagay yung reference number. Okay? So, wait lang guys. Ilalagay ko lang yung reference number. Okay? So, i-click nyo lang tong I have paid 100 pesos. Click and yung reference number. 8167 4167432774 yan 43277 and click nyo lang yung submit. Okay, submit tayo. And submit successfully, guys. Tingnan nyo, automatic, di ba? Ayan, ang ganda ni Rainbow Game. Automatic siya. So, mayroon na tayong 100 coins. Okay? So, exit tayo. Second way kung saan pwede kayong mag-cash in is dito sa baba. Ayan, may wallet kayong makikita dito sa right side. Click wallet. And, ayan, same na makikita ninyo. Okay, exit. Okay guys, so kung gusto nyo namang mag-withdraw, dito kayo kang withdraw. Click withdraw. And, ayan siya. So, cash balance natin 100. Ayan, so withdrawal info. Okay, withdraw amount. Tingnan natin. Example, withdraw tayo ng 100. Okay, nandito na pala siya guys. So, within 24 hours of arrival, ayan, the amount must be greater than 300 pesos. Only users who have recharged can withdraw the cash. Okay? So, ayun, kailangan nyo pa rin palang mag-recharge. Okay lang, di ba guys? Example, sa 1 peso nyo, lumago yung 1 peso nyo, and naging 300, naging 400 na siya guys. So, ang gagawin nyo lang is mag-cash in na lang kayo ng 100 pesos and i-cash out nyo siya. O, diba? At least meron na kayong 200. Ano yun? Okay.